Hey there, teenagers! It's me, Tails the Fox. And today, I'm going to be reacting to Mario goes to the fridge to get some milk. Especially made by SMG4. Well, this looks suspicious and Mario's weird. But anyways, let's get to the video. Oh, and this is made by Glitch Productions too. I think they're the same. And also, make sure to subscribe to SMG4, and the original video will be in the description below. Well, let's get moving. Okay, Mario's house. Okay, he's eating some spaghetti. Really weird.
That was a lots of fun.
Oh my god. Okay, he's gonna go get some milk. Did you just go inside the fridge?
Oh no!
Yep, there's no milk. Simple, just go to the store and get some milk.
I now know what I have to do.
Oh no, this sounds suspicious. Myself, please, that's funny. Oh my gosh, Mario just busted in the window with his Mario Kart. Okay, just park it in the grocery store. That's illegal. Okay, he's on the ladder going somewhere. Oh my, Mario, that's brutal. You can't just kick a ladder for someone to come down. That's really bad. Oh, there's only one milk left. I think you're lucky. This is so lucky. I think so. Oh no, it's Toad. He looks scared. Oh my gosh, no, no, no. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, poor Shroomy.
Guys, you dropped something. You bought
Oh.
Okay, don't worry about it.
If they even bought that milk, they would have exploded. Uh-oh, oh my gosh. Oh no, Donkey Kong. Why is he here? Oh no. Applejack. So I got Applejack's in the fridge and Crocs. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Go, Ouija. Go, Ouija.
Oh no. Okay, this is weird. Oh no! No! Poor Luigi!
No, you don't.
Uh-oh.
I am lonely.
What is happening? I have no idea, but I just don't know. Okay. Oh, I don't think that's really healthy for him. No. Oh no, that's bad.
Hey, baby, you look fine.
Oh my gosh, Mario, what's wrong with you? He's weird. You know, this YouTuber is actually pretty funny. I'm gonna react to these with Shadow and Sonic or Amy. Knuckles, he's guarding the Master Emerald.
Mamma mia.
So I can't react to Knuckles.
Brother,
Okay.
I got it. Let's do this. I'm your style. Mamma mia.
Just walk into any store, avoid security cameras, and just start taking things.
What? What? What's wrong with you, Mario? You're such a...
Mamma mia.
how do I say this? A brat!
What?
Oh no. This is bad. No milk. Oh no. Uh-oh. I know what they're gonna do. I don't think that's gonna be safe. Mario. Oh no. Well, oh yes. yes, because no guns.
Mamma mia.
Mario, yes, no guns. That's brutal.
Donald Trump is lying again. Joe Biden.
Why do ads keep coming about Donald Trump and Joe Biden? I know it's important, but you know what? Just don't worry about it.
Just got a little bit harder. Come here, fishy.
Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Why is
There
there
goes Mario's
swords
corner.
and pirate swords and stuff? Oh no! Who's that? It's like a fork? Why is a fork? His neck is weird. Oh, his name is Jeeves.
Whoa!
Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna be reacting to this. And I'm not gonna be saying anything for a while in case something funny happens or something bad. Oh no. They're running. Oh no! Packaging machine. Wait. Is this based on Minecraft?
Stand back. I'm warning ya.
Uh-oh. Oh no! This is bad. Oh my gosh, Milkman. Okay. 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 Oh no. This is bad. Wow. Wow. Very, very brutal. Oh my gosh. Did he just throw them out of the truck? Oh no, Mario's upset. Why is there lots of... Oh, I know what's gonna happen. Why is there a Minecraft... Okay. And I just saw a Minecraft cow earlier.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
What is happening?
Hello. Sono lavato, l'ho
It's not a restaurant.
Hey, Stinky.
It's not nice.
Mamma mia.
Oh my... What are you doing, Mario? Mario's weird. Wow. Wow, Toad. That's very, 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 very.
Oh yeah.
I wish Sonic was here to see. I wish Sonic was here. This is funny.
No.
And also brutal.
Okay.
And Shadow would love this.
It's the real Mario. Praise Jesus.
Okay.
Faced up to the consequences of your poor decision.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. JB's coming. Oh no. Oh my gosh, guys. They're so in trouble. Oh my gosh. No. No.
Why are you running?
I know why he's running. I mean, it's kind of your fault, but just be nice, Stevie. I know these are just a fort, but
Oh,
how?
hell no.
I mean, how's a? Oh my gosh! He just turned into Super Saiyan. Demon Cow. First you go. Oh no! What's gonna happen? Oh no! Yes! Get the milks. For not letting you just drink a glass of milk. They just want poor Mario carrier. They just want a glass of milk. Steve is just looking. Oh my gosh, Steve, you can play rock and roll? That's awesome. You're not a pirate. Well, that's kind of funny. Okay, Mario is crawling on the floor. Okay. This. Okay.
McSally's attacks on Navy combat veteran.
Another ad!
They've been called ridiculous.
SMG4 put too many ads. Oh no. Then you have to censor that out. Well, Bessie, that's her name.
Okay, bye-bye.
Aw. Oh no. Steve is. Oh my god. Okay, it's night and they're going. Wow, that Moo Moo milk is so messed up and it just fell. Okay, they're both crawling on the floor.
Alrighty, let's go.
I don't think they want any milk after all that. Well, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And also, check out SMG4 and the original video will be in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later, my geniuses. Oh, I sound like such a dork.